Guys, welcome back to my channel. It's been ages since I posted a new video, but just look at this canopies here. This is Namma Bengaluru and it's drizzling. Fucking shit. I'm off to pick up my new set of shoes for my KTM 390 adventure. So I was in the market looking for a pair of new shoes. Apparently everything is either costly or out of stock, and I don't want to go back to MRFs again. So while I was searching for a new pair of shoes, I found a brand that makes mostly off-road tires that had a new version for the KTM 390 adventure. It's so new that they haven't even updated in their website. Oh, the fucking shit, man. And there was one dealer who was selling it from Kerala, and initially it looked like some kind of a scam thing, but they had posted photos and contacted them through Instagram, got a couple of pictures, got the sizes for the tires and everything. So it seemed good enough, and I put in an order, and it's finally here, guys. But the weird thing is they didn't courier it. I think they have put it in some travels luggage and sent it to Bangalore. So it's in Kalasipalayam bus stop. It's in Kalasipalayam bus stand actually. So I am off to Kalasipalayam to pick up my new pair of shoes. I have no idea what compound it is. I just saw the thread pattern. Seemed like a good off-road tire, and I just ordered it. So I'll tell you guys the details about how much it costs, from where I ordered everything. But first let me go pick it up. Through the streets of Kalasipalayam we go, guys, to collect our prize. Where the fuck is the road? Is this a road? This is a road. This is a fucking road, man. Road ಇಲ್ಲ, ರೋಡ್ ಇದೆಯಾ ಅಲ್ಲಿ? Does this road go to main road? Motherfuckers. Closed off everything. Oh, this is fucking Kalasipalayam. Dude, look at this road, man. I feel like I might slip and fall at any moment. Okay, sir. Thank you. ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಮಡಿವಾಳ ಲೇಕ್ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ಗೈಸ್ ಗಾಟ್ ದ ಟೈರ್. ಹೌದಾ? ಅಲ್ಲ ನಿಮ್ಮದು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಡಿವಾಲಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಆಫೀಸ್ ಇದೆ ತಾನೆ? ಹೌದಾ? ಮತ್ತು ಅದು ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
ಅದು ಮುಂಚೆ ಅಡ್ರೆಸ್ ಇತ್ತು.
ಹಾಂ,
ಅದು ಅವಾಗಿತ್ತು,
ಇವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ.
ಕೊರೋನಾ ಮುಂಚೆ ಇತ್ತು. ಹಾಂ, ಬಟ್ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಅರ್ಜೆಂಟ್ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಪೇ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಸಿಕ್ತು.
ಆಯ್ತು. ಹೌದು.
ನೀವು ಹೋಗಿ ಅಂಗಡಿಲಿ ತಗೋತೀವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾಳೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಒಂದು ವಾರ 15 ದಿವಸ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಈಗ ಪೇಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಯ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನೈಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟರೆ ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ.
ಹೌದು. ನಾನು ಕೊರಿಯರ್ ಯಾವ್ದಲ್ಲ ಹಾಕಿಸ್ತಾರೆ ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡೆ.
ಕೊರಿಯರಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ ಅವ್ರು ಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡೋರು.
ಒಂದು ವಾರ ಆಗೋದಲ್ಲ?
ಒಂದು 2 ದಿನ ಆದರೂ ಆಯ್ತು, 3 ದಿನ ಆದರೂ ಆಯ್ತು. ಅದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾರು ಕೇಳಲ್ವಲ್ಲ. ಬಸ್ಗಳ ಈ ಮಾಮೂಲಿ ಕ್ಯಾಂಟರ್ ಆದ್ರೆ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಈಗ ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ ಸಿಕ್ಕ ಮಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಆಗ್ತಾರೆ. ಡೈಲಿ ಬರ್ತದೆ ಹೋಗುತ್ತಲ್ವಾ, ಆ ಲೆಕ್ಕ. No like to go like that. $140, $70, $17. $119, $19.
So I'm going to get the tire fitted. This is how I'm taking it there. It's holding up pretty good. So after inquiring at a couple of places for getting the wheel balancing done, I have decided not to get it done. Either it's not available for bikes or it's just one guy doing it, and the price seems too high. So they're quoting me $500 for one tire. It's not even a pair. For one tire I have to pay 500, and fitting is extra. So I've decided not to get it done. Only going to change the tires and show you guys how it looks. I'm going to keep my MRF tires for reserve. Once I'm done with this tire, then I'll just put it back. Or if I'm doing any long distance touring on only tarmacs, then I'll just put it back, because there's still life left in this MRFs. I can easily run another 5,000 kilometers on this, but it's just that I need something for off-roading. That's why I'm changing the tires. So I'll go there, I'll show you guys once this is done or fitted. So guys, the new Maxxis tire is on the 390 Adventure, as you can see.
Looks nice, looks fucking nice. This is on the back, on the side, or the front as well. This is how it looks on the front.
I'll ride it around and see how it goes and give you a review.
Okay sir, thank you.
So guys, this is the fitting charge I paid for changing the front and back here. So it's pretty reasonable, because I inquired elsewhere. They quoted me $500 for just changing the tires and another $500 for balancing it. So $430 for changing tires is pretty decent, I guess. I still have the old MRF there. There's plenty of life still. I can still run around 3,000 to 5,000 kilometers with this. So this store is in BTM layout. So on the 16th main 100 feet ring road itself, next to HTRZ mods. They basically deal with MRFs, but tire fitting, they do it for all tires if you have it. So this is done. Taking it for the first ride after getting it fitted. We'll see how it goes. It's been raining, man, all this week. Okay. City, inside city. Let's see. I need to brake in these tires, so I need at least some 50 kilometers to understand how this is working. But the ride feels a little bit, what do you say, not that hard like the MRFs. That part is clearly noticeable that it is not that hard. The braking is also fine. I don't see any issues. So guys, the Maxxis MaxPlore has been fitted on my 390 Adventure, and this is how it looks. The back is a little wider than the stock. So this is 140, 70, 17. And the front is stock is 119 and 19. As you can see, looks pretty nice. And I did ride it around a bit. Feels good. Nothing to complain about. But the tires has to run in a bit. At least 50-100 kilometers. Then it will be perfect. I still have to check how fast this goes and how it handles on off-roading. I'll be doing that review soon. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, do subscribe, because all those videos will be coming next. It's been raining, man. Holy shit, man. It's been raining crazy in Bangalore. Everything is so damp. Damp. Look at this beauties. Chunky boys. And I got it from the dealer called the Tire Guys from Instagram. I messaged them in Instagram. The payment was through GPay. The weird thing is how they ship this tires. I think they put it in some travels luggage and they sent it to the office. So I had to go to Kalasipalayam and pick it up. But it was fast, relatively fast than courier, shipping it via courier. So that is a bright side, I guess. And it was relatively cheap also. I paid like $200 for shipping. So that is about it.